Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I will drive it out and remove all the seatbelt. Once I remove the seatbelt, I can put back the seat and put the covers here, so I'll have much more space. And then finish the cables and put the model back. So I'm gonna first take the seatbelts off. Now take the seatbelts off, and then the bottom, which was M10 as well, bolt which I screw it back just to make sure I won't lose it. Then I need to see if I can see it, but I think I'll take this like this Phillips there, and I will be able to take this top part and see. If you can see under there, yeah, so it's two Phillips screw, which is how it's going, slowly but it is. Okay, you undo them just a little bit, and then they should slide towards back. Okay, so I got this with a bit attached. Okay, so this is how it looks. Like I see, got two hours. I can probably remove this shelf. I can probably remove this post, and I can probably take it up the seatbelts. So a bit more work than I thought. I'm gonna take the other seatbelt. Let's do actually. As you can see, this one, yes. See the orange part? Try to just lift it up slightly. Now I'm gonna do it with two hand, guys, and then that's how it looks. That's how it should look. Once it's in this position, you can take off the plug. That's all done. So, second seatbelt is out. There. Okay. Okay, this one goes there, this one goes there. All good, all work, and I think it's going. Yeah, it's going like this. I'm just gonna this metal thing that clicks inside, as you can see it, as you can hear it, and then yeah, the seat is done. Okay, clicks out once. Now gently put with one hand. Yes, came out without the seat to clip, and you basically those two clips towards you and slide up. Okay, this one. You need to take the. You need to lift up the back one, which is that one, and the front one, which is that one. You need to lift up both of them. Forwards and backwards. Honestly, I would back now the seatbelt is out. Just need to take this clip. Let me just slide out as I'm gonna show. Obviously take the seals out. So yeah, this is basically like it, and obviously it's locked on this too. Here you have to squeeze it so you can actually slide it upwards to the seatbelt. So this goes there. And basically you just put it in and slide it out until you click. And obviously that's prevent this from coming out. Take this cover off and then slides out down, and once you in this position you basically use a kind of sort of spring, so it slide out like a keyhole. There you go. So you can see, so what you do basically is a lock. It's kind of like, you know, it's a lock here, so lift up this and basically then you slide forwards another. Okay, so my camera dies. I would have a power bank, so hopefully this will run for a few minutes. I'll try to take the bumper off and see the damage on this side. I did lose some video working on the back, so now I'm gonna move to something else and we'll come back to rear in the next video. So what I'm gonna doing today, sort out the cable in Audi. As you can see here, that's the one of the model which the alarm was installed to, which I showed in the previous video. It's this one which has been changed, and the one in the front, which I'm gonna do in this one. As you can see, I just connect the cables just to check it if it will start. And obviously it starts, so now I'm gonna actually do it properly. So I've got with me my hot air station with my solder. Obviously I got this shrink, which various size, various colors, my flags. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery first. This one there, which is here. Okay, that should be fine, so hopefully this will do. Okay, clip on, put this one on. Yes! So that's good. But once the car is out, I'm gonna remove the wing. Okay. So the wing is out. Now I'm gonna take the headlights. My microphone battery dies, so what I've done now, I remove the panel, then I remove the bumper, and remove the headlights, sort of what left after it. And then I try to disconnect the bumper from the wing, which was quite difficult, as well as smashed, bent. Remove the pedestrian protection, I think, on the pedestrian protection hose with the airline. You know. And then I stretch a little bit the quarter panel just to make sure it won't catch the tire. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, there's a model here which cables has been changed where the alarm was connected. So I'm gonna try to do as the same as I've done on the rear. Connect all the cables well and properly and put the floor down and put the seats down. I think my microphone battery died on here, so what I've done, I've just welded the cable, which was one, as you can see, the red one, the red and yellow one. So I think that probably was for starter, so that's why it didn't start. Once this was welded, I just put the floor down, put the glove box down, which was quite easy. A couple of bolts on the side bolt, 3 on the top, and I think there was some of the bottom as well. I put the cover, and that was done with the alarm removal. Next was put the seats down. The 4 bolts, I had to move the seats front to get to the back one, to the rear one. Once this was done, I check everything works fine. I put the mat and that was done. Everything was good, so there was a little trim I missed on the side trim, so I had to take the side trim again and put this little trim underneath, like behind the seal. I put the rear view mirror covers back. Then the next I put the door on. Once the door was on, I've screwed the locking bolt. Then I put the door card. To realize after that, actually I need to take them off again to put the trim with the light strip. Otherwise I think it may broke if I try to push it from there without removing the door card. I think it is what it is, you learn how you go. Once this was in, I was able to put the target back. And screw with the screw and put the finish trim. Then I remove the back cover of the seats as the seats airbag deployed, and I want to see the part number for the right side trim which needs to be replaced. Once I've got the trim off, I check the part number and searching for a replacement online, but I couldn't find any new one from the dealer. Then put everything back together for time being before I get the new one. On here I look into the passenger's side front door window as it didn't go up. It only go about 20 mm up and that's it. So I start by removing the trim and then removing the door card. Once this was off, I've disconnected all the cables. Then remove the speaker, just look inside the door, was actually causing the window to not going up. And by the way, I found in the speaker that it was ripped, as you can see here. That's very weird, as it's, you know, it's a couple of years car, which I will have to replace this. Then I've done some bending inside and check if the window closed now. And as you can see, it actually works. Basically what happened here, as you can see, this bar, it bent during the accident, like door dent, and obviously the bottom plastic piece which holds the glass, when it goes below the bar, it actually catch the bottom of it. That's why it didn't go up, so I had to really like pull it a little bit and then it went up. But I think once I put the window down again, it will just lock again, so obviously the door will be replaced anyway. But now I know what actually it didn't work, so it's nothing wrong with the motor or anything. So I put the door card back, all the trims and everything. And this will be everything for this episode. In the next episode, I'm gonna straight little quarter panel with the hydraulic press and repair the parking brake. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy it. Any suggestion, please drop me a comment, and see you in the next one. Bye.